So here's how to unfollow everyone on Threads app. It's pretty simple and easy to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out any of the important steps. So, first, what you have to do is open the Threads app. Tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Now tap on this Followers button, then tap on Following. It shows all the accounts that you're following. Here you can see that I'm following 34 accounts. Now, to unfollow all first, you have to keep in mind that there's no one button that you can tap on to unfollow all. You can unfollow all of these by tapping on the following button separately for each account. And as you can see, it'll remove them from your followings. Let me tell you one thing more. There's one button to remove all of your following that are pending. Remember that, only the pending ones. For this, you have to tap on Pending at the top right corner. Here you can see all the profiles which I've requested. It can be either those having private accounts and they haven't approved it yet, or those that just don't have a Threads account yet. In order to remove all these, tap on this button which says Cancel All. Now tap on Confirm. It'll remove all these.